In this video I will show you how to create a free Instagram post using Canva. So Canva is a free online editing program that is very user-friendly. You can sign up here with your email or log in here if you already have an account. There are a few ways to start with the design. You can click here on templates and choose your template here. You can click here on what will you design and find your template here. You can click here on create a design and scroll down until you find your template, or start typing here, or start typing here. And as you see, Canva will show you the templates that are offered. So we are creating Instagram post. Let's click here. There are a bunch of Canva templates already. You can use any of them and change the colors or font to fit your brand. But we are starting from scratch with a completely new design, and let's click here on create a blank Instagram post. So the first thing we need to do is to upload our logo design. So if you have purchased logo from my Etsy shop, you will receive a few different file types, but we are going to upload a PNG type of file. It is a file with transparent background. So let's go to uploads here, then click on upload media and find the logo from your computer. So we uploaded the PNG type of file that has the transparent background, as you see. Simply click on it and it will appear here. And if you want to change its size, click here on the corner and drag your mouse. You can change the color of any image or element like this. So let's see, maybe this size will fit. Okay, and now let's see how to edit the background. Click on the background and here you see a little square background color. Click on it and you'll see some colors offered here. So you can choose any of these default colors or one of these colors, photo colors. When you upload an image to Canva, Canva will show you the colors from that image, the color palette. So because we uploaded our logo, we have our logo colors here. If you want to change these colors, you can also click here and drag this little circle here, or simply type the color code here. So let's get back to this color. And as you see, our logo is not very visible on this background, so we will add a white circle under this logo. How to do that? Well, go to elements here. You'll see all the elements that Canva offers. So you have photos, videos, different frames, grids. But for now, we need lines and shapes. If you want to see them all, click here and scroll down. Okay, we'll use the circle. You can also change the color of the circle just like we did for the background. So click here on this little, select the element, click here and choose the color. So we said we will use the white color. Clicking and dragging here to change the size and move here. But we need it we need the circle under the logo, so go here to position and click backwards. Okay, we can also change the transparency of the element by clicking here, transparency, and slide this to 80%. If we found the right position for our logo and we don't want to accidentally move it, let's lock it here by clicking here. And that's it. Now we need to add some text. How to do that? Well, simply click on the text here and click on any of these tabs, or you can use some font combinations that are offered by Canva. I use this one, but as you see, we have two text boxes here, but they move together. If we want to move them separately, let's go here to ungroup. Okay, and now we can move them separately. Here on this line, you'll see what you can change in your text box. So you can change the font color, font size, font color. You can make it bold, italics, or underline it. You can change the line or letter spacing. You can add some effects here, like shadow, lift, or something else, but we will use none. And here you can change the alignment. For this Instagram post, we will use the right alignment for both texts. So the size can be changed by like this or here. Okay, we will also choose the right alignment for this one as well. Let's change the font for this one by clicking here, and here you can choose any font you want. I will use this one because I use it for the logo as well, and I will leave this one the same. So now we have our Instagram post created, and let's go here to download it. Choose the PNG type of file and click on download. Once it is downloaded, you can use it for your Instagram. I hope this helped. Thanks for watching.